Today I'm gonna be doing some evening fishing. It's been a while. I don't do any fishing. So today I link up one of my old fisherman friend, brethren, and we're gonna do some evening fishing here on the rock side to be what we can catch. So right now, me a drive, I go to the location. So you can see a beer bush, beer tree. So me a drive to get to the location to see what type of fish we can catch today. Alright? So now stay tuned and watch the process, alright? Believe. Reach one location now. Me I get my line and my rod set up right now to cast out and see if I can catch something. I think I right here, so me I go through my line right off of that little spot right here. So I go set up my line them, cast out and see if we can catch some fish in the evening here, alright? So that is it. So now lock in, clock in, and big up to everybody who are support Nigel Yaman TV, alright? Believe. And soon see some more video of down in the west. I'm supposed to get some more barrel, but don't get them as yet. But don't bring the barrel when me get down to the west as yet, because me I say I wait pan to get the next barrel them so I can put everything together and bring down. But I'll know I've been calling the wharf about the other barrels them, but them say them not ready as yet, so it look like me have to just bring down the one barrel when me did collect. I pack out the stuff them already, so I go probably just bring that down to the people them, and then when them other two they clear, other rest them clear, me bring them down. Alright? So enough love and respect, and we're gonna set up a line, catch you out on the sea, beach side. We set out one of the line them already. So now I'm gonna set out the next one. I put on some bait on it and cast it out there. So I use some shrimp, and I use some other bait with them called chapong. See if we can get some cobbler jack. Alright? Some of them fish that we are on for in the evening, or anything we catch, you know. If me catch I want to catch a snapper. My brother just tell me a while ago, say one man catch a 13-pound snapper right off down here. So let me see if me have the luck there in the evening here too. As a fisherman, you see me? So now go and stay tuned, watch the process, and wish me all the best. Not much now go on the beach side. So I walk come round on the rock them. I go over one little spot around here, so go try. The next fisherman them a pick spot where them want fishing. So I go a little further around. Not too far though. But them rock here, honeycomb rock, you have to be careful. And look what me doing now. Crocs. Some crocodile boot. So I go around some more. And cast out the line. Wouldn't mind me catch one 5 fish. One 10-pound of fish to go home with. Hey, hook again! That is it! So the next fisherman I catch fish, people. Right? I got to choke my line in here. No! Reach a spot where I want to reach. Alright, right. So I'm going to do some fishing. him stay out there and see what we can catch. Alright, so with that rod here now, yeah, I put on some shrimp on it. Believe 2 hook. So while that one there set, anything, grab that one, then I run with it and we're going to ear it. So we just hold this one in our hand and see what we can catch from this. If we can catch a snapper or a parrot or something. Now cast it even too far. Alright, we get pick. Feel like them eat off the bait already, you know? No, them not eat off, them still there, pick. Them still there, pick people. Nah, sama hook. I catch rock instead. I lose the sinker on one hook. The thing with right here, so no people, you see, because of so much rock, so sometimes when you cast out, you get snag and you have to rig up again. So you have to have a lot of sinker. And that's the reason why I use sparks plug. So it's cheaper way if you have sparks plug, alright? So we rig this up and cast out there again. Watch the process. And guess what people, and the thing a while I got, you know, the fish them a bite, they are picking and eat the bait, you know. Maybe I wonder if it's a fish. Carry the line, go stuck it. Who knows? But no worry themselves. We are beat up and go back for them again. We are go back for them people. So we are rig up back. And try back a look. Cause me say, you know, we have to go home with even 2 fish. We have to go home with. I'm not talking no beanie fish. So I just finish gear up and go for them. Go for them. Good old sparks plug. It's not a new one, it's a used one. So what I did, I went to the garage and asked the mechanic for some used sparks plug. Cause I know when I do fishing around this area and the rocky area, I lose a whole heap of sinker. And for buy sinker is expensive. So a cheaper way, go to a mechanic shop and look some sparks plug. Or any fisherman in the comment section, I watch a video, can comment and let me know what you use for a sinker. If you don't buy any. Somebody that tell me one time, so them use steel. Them cut the steel in some good size, probably about 1 pound, 1 ounce, 3 ounce, and them use that as them sinker. Right, so we set up a rig here, 2 hook, sparks plug, yeah. So that's how we do it. Hook it on. Easy now. So we are bait up and cast out there. As a fisherman. If you don't believe us, God, watch it. Chew on that. We are going to catch a fish now. If you don't believe us, God. Double hook it. That is it. Watch the process. So I move to a more comfortable spot on the rock where we can stand up more firmer. Cause I'm in a short pants. I get pick. Hold on. I get pick. Yeah. Bomba, team get away. Bounty killer. Jaja people, I pull it too fast. Yo, what's a fisherman? Mr. people, I pull that one there too fast. I beat up, I go back for him. I go back for her. Go back out there. So yeah, people, what I say now, when you depend on honeycomb rock here, you have to be careful. And be in a shot. Alright. Try back again, people. Yeah. Try our fight again. Alright, then I pick it. Right, then I eat off the bait though. Then go on with the bait. Now eat off the bait, star. Alright, so I'm going to reel him back and bait up again. We are watching the big line over there, so we set out the big line with the trap on it. With the fish. So, hope we can catch something big with that one. So we are going to rig up and try out for them little fish there again. Right there, pick. So I'm going to go and lock in. Nah, I can't see too far. Too long I not catch fish, people, I not even remember how to catch them. Long time I not come on the rock side. Come onto snapper or to jack. Nothing now, go on. The big line now run off. Fish then now bite. Look like a feed me come to feed them. The next fisherman they out there say he might catch fish. The next fisherman him go further around from the rock. I don't know what go on with me. So me catch a fish. One wench man. First fish. Alright? But don't go and watch the process. You catch some more. Fish tea that one here for. Fish tea here. Trang back. Take him off and try again. Alright, so I go there now. I go check the big rod here now. It out here for a while. Check and see if the bait eat off. So you have to really thin now, because I see it through a big rock. You have to really thin fast. Alright, so them eat off the bait off of it. So we are going to bait it up back and cast it back out there to see if we can catch nothing. Alright, so now go and watch the process. We catch one wench, man. It better than nothing. So we just put on some more bait on this. And throw it back out there. See bait here where I use? Look at it. That is it. Deep water. Look at the sun over there, so. Oh gosh, man. The sun is going down. Sunset style. Bomba thing come off. Get to a star. I just hook one hour again. He never hook good. Him never hook good. We'll go back for him. Him never hook properly a while ago. So we're going to try catch him back here now. Seriously, I have him in there. But him never hook good. Looks like I have to go really in the big line there now. People in night, calm down. I'm going to catch some more fish yet, you know. The time is getting dark. I'm going to catch. And I one single fish me catch. One single wench, man. Boil some soup. Just hook one, but in Ghana on one rock, 2 box cover. So I just give him some line and wait for him swim out. We are wait for him swim out. And just bring him in. I hope one good size one thing in. If you feel like one good size fish. But we are wait and see. Watch out going. We are going somewhere else, people. Because nothing going right. This is just one wench man me catch. The rest I fish next 2 fishermen, same thing, 1 fish them catch. So we are gonna try somewhere else. So now come in and watch the process. Alright? Outside as a fisherman. Alright, so we reach our next location, people. So I'm gonna set out my line here now and I wait for something to pick it, something big snapper or something. You get me? So I just go and watch the process. There I watch all the stars them. I can see stars them. Yeah, man. So that's what going in the dark. So I believe and go and stay tuned. Alright, so the spot where we did go. We said we are move go one new spot. Nothing go on. We don't catch no fish. So I just give next fisherman, every man catch 1 fish. So I just give one of the fishermen them my fish when I catch. So right now I head home. Tomorrow I have a subscriber for pick up from the airport. Yeah, from England, London. Big up all of my London subscriber, all of my UK family. Big up on yourself. And guys, please remember to like, leave your comments, your thoughts in the comment section. And remember, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Alright? So I'm out for now. So me catch you guys in another video. Banging.